Hello my friends, before starting this video, subscribe my channel. Subhdeep Singh Sidhu, born on 11 June 1993, better known by his stage name Sindhu Moosewala, was an Indian singer, rapper, songwriter and actor associated with Punjabi music and Punjabi cinema. Moosewala had a lot of attachment to his village Moosa, so he used to stay in his village. When he was alive, his fans used to visit his village every day to meet him. He was very attached with his grandmother. He kept his hair at the behest of his grandmother, which was very important in Sikhism because his father could not keep his hair due to an accident. According to artists like Afsana Khan, Grippy Grawal, Amrit Maan, Moosewala's personality was totally different from his songs. In real life, he was a down-to-earth person. His career as a songwriter began with song licensed by Ninja, and his singing career started with the duet song G-Wagon. Following his debut, he collaborated with Brown Boys for various tracks. Sindhu is generally regarded to have been one of the greatest Punjabi artists of his generation. Moreover, he was considered as a key figure in opening the door for Punjabi artists into mainstream music. In 2021, he joined the Indian National Congress political party and unsuccessfully contested the 2022 Punjab Legislative Assembly election from Mansa. Moosewala rose to the mainstream with his track So High in 2018. He released his debut album PBX1, which peaked at number 66 on the Billboard Canadian Albums chart. Following the album, he started releasing his songs independently. His 2011 song 47 was ranked on the UK singles chart. In 2020, Moosewala was named by the Guardian among 50 up and coming artists. Over 30 of his songs have peaked on the UK Asian chart, 4 of which have topped the chart. His song Bambiha Bole was among the top 5 on the global YouTube music chart. 2021, he released Moose Tape track from which charted globally, including Billboard Global 200, Billboard Global exclusive US Canadian Hot 100, UK Asian and New Zealand Hot charts. He has the most number of 1 signals on the Billboard India song chart. Moosewala was shot dead by unidentified assailants on 29 May 2022. A Canada-based gangster acting in Punjab claimed responsibility for the killing, which the police said was a culmination of inter-gang rivalry. On 23 June 2022. His posthumous single SYL was released. Moosewala's lyrics and themes were often seen as controversial in India, and he was accused of promoting gun culture and of challenging religious establishments. The case related to Mai Bhago, a revered figure in Sikhism. He had faced legal challenges for promoting gun culture and using inflammatory and inciting lyrics in his song. Subhdeep Singh Sidhu hailed from the village of Moosa in Mansha district of Punjab, India. Father Balkaur Singh Kaur. He studied at Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College, Ludhiana and graduated in electric engineering in 2016. Moosewala was admired and influenced by a rapper Tupac Shakur. He started listening to hip-hop music as a student in 6th grade and trained in music from Harvinder Bittu in Ludhiana. According to a statement he made while campaigning, he chose Moosewala for his stage name as a tribute to his home village of Canada. As an international student while living there, he studied at Sheridan College and Hamburg College.